Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today we're going to be talking about how to create a box chart within Tableau. It's also called a box and whisper plot or a box plot. All of those names would work. For this, we're going to need one measure and one dimension for our sheet. So let's go ahead. I'm going to do a subcategory here for our dimension, and then I'm going to grab sales as our measure. So let's go ahead and head over to our Show Me pane, and I am going to select the box plot chart. So as you can see here, we can see where the majority of our data is lying between that 250,000 down to 50,000-ish, a little bit less than that. And most things are going to be plotted within that range. Now, there are some outliers as far as like the categories that sell more and have more sales, but this can be very helpful when you are looking to see where your data is lying upon a certain line. So where the majority of our data is. That's going to be how to create a box plot within Tableau. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at Emily Call MBA. You can check out our courses. We do teach over on LinkedIn Learning, so feel free to check those out. Thanks so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one.